In the heart of nature, I'm getting my vitamin D because I don't have to wait in long lines for the pharmacist. Beacon of light at the Derringdo Lighthouse. Mind, power, eternity. Your transformation is always in progress. If you change your mindset, you can change your behaviors. You can heal yourself, and you can change your situations. You have the power. The power has always been with you. You are always surrounded by abundance. Abundance is your birthright. You are surrounded by intelligence. You have energy, abundant of energy. Energy within and energy without. Whichever one you harness, positive or negative, you become beacons of light. I'll be reading a poem I wrote. It's in this book. It's titled, Mama Africa is Calling Me, Mama Africa is Calling You. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. But first, let's breathe. All right. Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. Are we going to answer her clarion call? Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. I am a global citizen, but Mama Africa is calling me and you and all her beloved children. Her banjo is playing loudest, awakening benevolent spirits. Together we shall reclaim Mama Africa's throne and crown, exalting her to the highest order where she'll remain forever. We shall rebuild her shrines, lodges, and temples, restoring all her ancient African values. Should we sign our names on dotted lines, hand in our port passes or passports to customs and border patrol officers? Nah, gosh no. We are global citizens, a spiritual people. We have our spiritual pens, but we ain't drafting anything. We'll communicate orally, submerging in our own dialects and languages of Zen, and then renouncing any foreign affiliations, no longer pledging to brainwashed alliances, allegiances, nor romancing in depriving alliances. We are sovereign, dignified, and divine. Unity is our name brand. No need to show ID cards to prove our nationalities, because when we walk in auditoriums, we command all stages. Our presence often felt by gazillions, and the world notices. When hungry, Mama Africa provides the feed. When thirsty, we fill our buckets with her river Nile, while sailing down the Niger with African palm wine. Heading towards the Atlantic fine, might explore the Pacific at a futuristic date. Suppose that's best when professing fate. The entire world is mine and yours to explore. Hope you can relate. Mama Africa has always welcomed us to abundance, even though her foes manipulate, exploit, steal, rape, enslave, and cast away. The yoke that she bestows is rather easy. Her breasts are the most nutritious. Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. She whispers in my ears and yours until our eardrums ting. She comforts me and you in warmth with her blazing horizon. Never lacked anything because her program never teaches scarcity. Always had and have always given, but this time around preserving everything. Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. When not clothed, we select the best cotton and palm leaves. Our African tailor transforms them into royal African garments. When naked, we aren't ashamed. We walk bare feet and plant cash crops. Under the scorching heat, we sunbathe without applying sunscreen because the sun loves us. Although the world refers to this show of confidence primitive behavior, there are galore of nude beaches around the world where such behaviors are championed. Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. When I breathe in her refreshing prana, I feel alive and strong like cassava. I am always at peace, but our foes always excite you and I to war. And when that's not doing their trickonomics, they use their vaccines to allure economics. Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. Don't worry, we've arrived. Home, sweet home. Mama Africa is calling me. Mama Africa is calling you. Are we going to answer her clarion call? I will, and I hope you too. Beacon of light at the Derringdo Lighthouse. Change your mindset, change your behaviors, heal yourself, change your situations. I wish you all peace, love, and prosperity. Until next time.